Hello class 11th. Today I am going to start with this reproductive system of cockroach in chapter number 7, structure organization in animals. Now today I am going to start with female reproductive system. Female reproductive system of cockroach. Okay. In previous video we studied about the male reproductive system. Now today I am going to start with female reproductive system. As you know, female reproductive system mainly consists ovaries, and ovaries here contain ovarioles. Here ovary contains ovarioles. Each ovary contain 8 ovarioles. Each ovary contain each ovary contain 8 ovarioles. Okay, कैसा होता है? See here, this one is ovariole. 8 ovarioles होते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is single ovary, and single ovary contain 8 ovarioles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understand it? Each ovary contain present on the both side. ठीक है, इस तरह से ovaries होती है. 1 pair and 8 ovarioles from each side. And these are ovarioles. Single unit of this ovary is called ovariole. And oviduct. This one is oviduct. And vagina. Oviduct open into the vagina, and vagina opens into a genital chamber. Genital chamber, also called gynaetrium. Also called gynaetrium. And collateral gland by a slit like gonopore. Okay, and collateral glands तो 1 पेयर होती हैं ऑन बोथ साइड. जो लेफ्ट साइड का होता है कोलेट्रियल ग्लैंड बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोमिनेंट एंड स्मॉल साइज होता है. राइट साइड वाला स्मॉल साइज का होता है कोलेट्रियल ग्लैंड. ओके, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ दिस collateral gland? Their secretion forms the egg case or ootheca, and spermatozoa which receive the sperm. Spermatozoa which receive the sperm, and spermatical papilla. Ovipositor. Spermatozoa receive the sperm during copulation from the male and store them until required. The external genitalia also here it is called ovipositor. Ovipositor. The ovipositor of the female cockroach are entirely concealed within a large cavity at the end of the abdomen. This cavity has an inner genital chamber and posterior oothecal chamber. Okay, and the 3 pairs, the ovipositor lies behind the gonopore and consists of 3 pairs of elongated process is called vulvae. The ovipositor is used only to transfer fertilized egg into the oothecal chamber. Okay, ovipositor का क्या function है? Is only used to transfer the fertilized egg to the oothecal chamber. Now see reproductive system. Eight ovarioles. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ovarioles. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is oviduct, and oviduct join this one is collateral gland. Right one is small gland and left one is very prominent and big in size. This one is ovariole, and collectively it is called ovary. Okay, and this one is oviduct. This one is spermathecae, which receive the sperm. Spermathecae, which receive the sperm. This one is right collateral gland and left one. Left one and this one is right. Left one is very prominent. Collateral gland. Okay, this is one is anterior gonapophysis. ANT, anterior gonapophysis, and this one is posterior gonapophysis. POST dot posterior gonapophysis. This one is spermathecae, collateral gland, oviduct, ovary, ovariole, and spermathecae. This one is spermathecae, this one is collateral gland, and this one is genital chamber. This one is genital outer one. This one is genital chamber. Genital chamber. Okay. Now see here the structure of this female reproductive system. Female reproductive system. Okay, consists of ovary, ovariole. Ovary contain 8 ovariole. Each ovary, one pair ovary is present, and but each ovary contain 8 ovariole. The single unit is called ovariole, and it contains ova and oviduct. Here, this one tube. This one is oviduct, is open into the vagina. This one is vagina, and genital chamber. This one is genital chamber. Vagina open into the genital chamber. This one is a collateral gland. ये क्या होता है जब egg lay करती है female, तो उस egg के ऊपर एक secretion secrete करती है. That is this gland, that is called as collateral gland, which forms the ootheca. And this one is anterior gonapophysis, and posterior gonapophysis help at the time of copulation. Spermathecae receives sperm. Spermathecae receive sperms.